Fold. All right. First syllable?
Line.
Make a line on your board. Remember, when we have a multi-syllable word and we build them on our boards, we're going to show each syllable with a line. All right? Second syllable? Fold. Okay? All right, make a line. Everyone, first syllable? Build it. Everyone, what was that first syllable? Good. Build it. Okay. All right. Second syllable? Fold. Good job. Fold. Build it. I'm seeing everybody using some blue sounds in this word. Okay? All right, everyone. Let's spell blindfold. You ready? First syllable? Okay, spell it.
Blind.
Second syllable? Spell it. Excellent. Let's who can read it. Blindfold. Excellent. Okay, spell it back. First syllable. B-L-I-N-D. Second syllable. F-O-L-D.